Good morning, everyone. My name is ARTH, and today I'm going to showcase my Python project, which is the temperature converter. So this is my Jupyter notebook where I have made the code. So firstly, I would like to start with a very basic concept, which is variables. So variables are letters that showcase, they're identified by letters that have undefined values. So here there are many types of variables, many data types. Here I have only introduced three of them. So basically x is equal to 10, it's an integer format. Y is equal to hello. Hello is a string format. Z is equal to 100.34, which is float value. Now, since this is the temperature converter project, I would like to introduce you some of the basic temperatures where the water boils, the water melts. The ice melts, gets converted into water and all. So in Celsius at 0 degrees, the water freezes as well as melts. So that's included in your interconversion of states of matter. And at 100 degrees, the water boils and it gets converted into steam. Exactly. And in Fahrenheit, we have got the same temperature, the same, not the values, but the point at which the water boils, the water, freezes, the ice melts in the form of Fahrenheit. This is 32 degrees and 212 degrees. Now, this is the temperature conversion. So this is for basically Celsius to Fahrenheit. This is Fahrenheit to Celsius. So you'll start off with the program. Print temperature converter. So it will simply print the temperature like given temperature converter. Now here we will print two options basically. So because this is a converter, we have to provide the user a particular interface where we have two choices, which is Celsius to Fahrenheit, and other one is Fahrenheit to Celsius. And we are also giving the user to give his input about the choice because without the input, there's no point of giving the choice. I'm giving one. Now, now it will define at what time, what type of conversion should take place, whether Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. So, if the choice is one, which I actually put here, the input temperature will be enter temperature in Celsius because finally the input has to be in Celsius if the choice is one. And then it will be converted into float for better understanding because sometimes there can be decimal values either on conversion when you are giving the input or after the conversion. Or if the choice is two, which is elif. So elif is a conditional based statement. Choice is two, then again we'll enter the temperature in Fahrenheit and whatever is same for Celsius will come for Fahrenheit. I will enter the temperature here. Well, fine. Let me put it in directions. Now, if choice is one, now they have given the choice, they have given the temperature. So whatever is the input temperature here, it will convert using the formula that we have into 9 upon 5 plus 32. The result will be made, the result will be processed by the server, the Jupyter Notebook server, and then the result will be printed, same for Fahrenheit. So this was one type of conversion where you have only one value. But there are cases where we need bulk values like talk about a weather forecast for maybe India. So many states, many cities, and many union territories. For each one of them, you need different values. So if you can't do it separately for each value, you have to put it in a form of list where the processor or maybe the server is able to convert those easily, and you get in the form of a list only. So this is the bulk conversion. So again, we'll have to print the choices, then temperature input. So here separated by commas because it will be easy for us to differentiate between the values while we're creating a list or something. So I will put 40, 50, maybe 60 also. Now we have got the temperature input. Now we'll put the bulk temperature. So what is bulk temperatures? Here we are basically, since the temperatures are in a bulk format, we need to convert them into a list. So this is basically my variable. I've converted into float for, you know, again, the decimal values that can be there during the conversion. Then we'll print the bulk temperatures. And first, yes, yes. Now converted time. Now converted time will be also in a form of string only. Sorry, list. Now this is for temp and bulk temperature. So why I have put for temp? So it's kind of a, we have done the for loop. So that's for something in range. So here particularly we are talking about each value, which is the temp. In bulk temperatures, which is the complete, list of values. So if choice is one, again, whatever we did, applying the formula, converting it, using the converted temp. Now at last, we'll print the converted temp, which is like 104, 122, and 140. Thank you so much for today, and please subscribe, like my channel for more videos. Thank you.